In this video, we're going to show you the easy way to insert a new row in Excel, and then we're going to show you how to insert multiple rows like a pro. Keep watching. So let's start off with an easy example. Imagine we have a new team we wish to add to this list that begins with a letter T. So that's got to go between O and W, or rows 6 and 7. So to insert a new row, we always select the row beneath where we want to insert the new row. So in this case it's number 7, and we do that by selecting the grey number 7 box here. And then there are two ways we can do this. We can either right click that number 7 there and select insert, or you can click on the home ribbon and press the insert button, and that will also do the same thing. There's also a more professional way of adding multiple rows at once, and the way you do this is, say if you wanted to add 7 new rows, we'd click and drag down to select 7 rows, and if you notice beneath my mouse pointer there's a little handy box there that tells us the row number we're on. So say we've selected 7 rows there, so now we can either do the same thing, either right click any one of these and press insert, or press the insert button over here. Deleting rows is exactly the same method, except instead of picking insert, we choose delete instead. If you want more help, the next thing to do is visit our website at Spreadsheets.Pro. We offer professional spreadsheet services to help you repair, upgrade, or create new spreadsheets in Excel and Google Sheets. We also have a tutorial blog aimed at beginners and small business owners, and we have a selection of ready-made, free and premium spreadsheets available to download.